today we are going to a waterfall in Wales. I found this place yesterday on Google and I thought it looked absolutely stunning, so we're going to go there today. The map is saying it's around 2 hours, so we're just going to go fill up and then yeah, we're going to head off. This is Rocco, he'll be joining us today. But yeah, by the looks of the pictures on Google, this place looks absolutely stunning, so I'm looking forward to it. Rocco's looking forward to it. Let's go, enjoy the video. So we've just pulled up at a service station. We are about halfway there. Just going to grab a bite to eat and some drinks, and then we're going to carry on. Rocco, we're going to go to a waterfall. Rocco, we're going to go to a waterfall. There's Rocco down there. Got some beautiful views. Check this out, this is crazy. Come on. So yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. There's even a B&B at the bottom of the waterfall with like a cafe, a little bit of a restaurant, some toilets, a car park. This place has it all, but a lack of dog poo bins. But apart from that, this place is amazing. You have to bring your dog, your best friend here. They'd absolutely love it. It's been amazing. And on a day like today as well, it's just been great. So yeah.